Lezi ndaba sikwethulela zona ekomkhulu le-SABC Auckland Park eGoli naze inohlonze kusihlwa nje.
As NUMSA, we will continue in full commitment in making sure that we continue working with the company, and that at the end of the day we brought this matter to the closure.
Sekutholwe ezinye idumbe ezimbili zayisebenza semayini ebeyivaleleke emathunjini omhlaba emayini yaseKimberley esifundazweni iNorthern Cape. Lokhu kuchaza ukuthi sezintathu idumbe eseyitholiwe kanti ezimbili beyingakatholakali.
We still afraid. We need some protective things like maybe the soldiers.
Izakhamuzi zasebhekestal entshonalanga yeGoli zithi isaphila ngokwesaba ize sekudlula inyanga ezintathu kwadutshulwa abantu abayishagalolunye bashona endaweni yokucima ukoma kuleya ndawo.
Taking the IFP to have a strong national footprint beyond 50 years.
Umengameli weqembu iNkatha Freedom Party uvele enkosini Hlabisa uhole umcimbi wokubungaza iminyaka engama-50 nomuvo kwasungulwa leli qembu eBethal esifundazweni eMpumalanga.
Mufokeng wayicenda le ibhola waqoqwa bethu Mufokeng wayibeka emlatheni.
I-Orlando Pirates ithele othulweni iTS Galaxy ngamagoli ayisithupha eqandeni ukuze iphindele esicongweni selogi eBetway Premiership enkundleni iMbombela eMpumalanga. Nabenkungu emnyama embathe intaba zomthimba kwangane kwaze kwasumntana inkosi uGuduze Gedezela iyanqaphaza iyanqabe kaMdlokombana libumbene lomkhothi ihora sekhulekana nabendlula mithi amakhosi edlule ezinye ngentamo nazi indaba. Kuvundululwe ezinye izidumbe ezimbili beziqhubeka emathunjini omhlaba emayini Kapa eKimberley esifundazweni iNorthern Cape. Sezintathu manje idumbe seyikhishiwe kanti zimbili ezisathungathwa.
Kulandela ukutholakala kwezinye idumbe ezimbili namhlanje, imayini eKapa ithe iqembu elithungathi idumbu selinalo ulwazi ukuthi isidumbu sesine simama kuphi. Ngenxa yezimo elibhekene nazo leli thimba, uhlelo lokukhipha sona lesi sidumbu luzothatha isikhathi. Inyane esebenzi NUMSA ithi kuyayikhulula ukuthi khona inqubekela phambili.
As NUMSA, we will continue in full commitment in making sure that we continue working with the company, and that at the end of the day we brought this matter to the closure. Although we know that there are now legal processes to be embarked upon, we will equally assist the families in necessitating that due processes are adhered to the latter.
Kwakumhlazisho umnesikhombisa ngihlola njengenkathi isebenze ezinhlanu ivaleleka ngaphansi kwayo lemayini emasontweni amabili edlule leli thimba likwaze ukukhipha esodwa isidumbu. Isigameko sokuvaleleka kwezisebenzi siholele ekutheni ukhathazeka umkhakha wemayini kuleli ngodaba lokuphepha kwezisebenzi. Kusenjalo estatementeni sayo lemayini eKapa ithe iyaqhubeka nokulawula amanzi yaphinde yathi nohlelo lokuzama ukuthola ezinye idumbe ezimbili luyaqhubeka.
Namanje isathuthumela izakhamuzi zasebhekestal uma ngabe kukhulunywa ngesigameko sokudubula esenzeka kwenye indawo zokucima ukoma nalapho kwangena khona oshaya sibhamu ababehlome bezingovolo bafike bavulela ngenhlamvu kwashona abantu abacele 10 abanye baphuthunyiswa esibhedlela. Namhlanje kuhlangana iminyanga ezintathu kwehla lesiga.
Lesigameko esashining labantu libambe ngozansi sisashisa emqondweni abantu bakulendawo. Kuba ukuthi iningi labantu lalisazitiya ngamanzi amponjwana ngesikhathi kugulukedela iqebane lamadoda ayehlomile avulela ngenhlamvu kwalala uyaca. Kwabanye santsontsothe emjunju ngokwenzeka ngozibandlela nyakenye.
Andiyazi into yanibuyisayo ngoba ndasendihambile nalomfana ndihlala sonke pha endlini. Ndithi sisiyolala ndaphinde ndabuya mina back kuba ndanibuyiswa intoni andazi kuba ndethuwa sensesibhedlela ndiyacinga lathi ayinoba ndiye ndathatha la 100 rand bendishiyile pha ndaphinde ndawuthenga utywala.
Izakhamuzi kule ndawo namanje sisathuthumele ngemuva ukuthi kubikwe esinye isigameko bude buduze nala okwehla khona lesehlo nyakenye. Ezinye izakhamuzi zithi amaphoyisa kumele akwazi ukusihlukanisa kahle asabalale uma isebenza kule ndawo.
We still afraid. We need some protective things like maybe the soldiers, they will come, I don't know.
Ungodwe wezokuphepha uthi uphiko lozobunhloli lona kumele lube bukhali wathi nomphakathi kumele usebenzisane namaphoyisa ukuze kuxhakathiswe izigilamkhuba endaweni.
We are losing the strategy of crime prevention, crime combating and crime detection because our intelligence does not help us to prevent crimes.
Umnikazi kule ndawo yokucima ukoma wakhala ngamasonga sigonyela ngemva kokuvela kwezinsolo ezithi imvume asebenza ngayo eyomgunyathi kanti ungaphandle ngebheyili.
Kusenjalo izakhamuzi zase-Atteridgeville kakhulukazi eSolsville eTshwane zithi iphila ngokwesaba ngenxa yokwanda kobugebengu obunodlame. Zicela ukuthunyelwa amasosha e-SANDF ajonge kusemthethweni eGauteng ukuze alwe nodlame.
Amalungelo zokuvikela agcine ethelekile eWestbury eGoli kulandela umyalelo kaMengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa wokuthi azojujwa ezindaweni okudlange kuzo ubugebengu. Manje ezinye izindawo ezifana neAtteridgeville sezifuna ukuthi kutshalwe amasosha nakuzo.
It is necessary for soldiers to come here so that they may search such weapons like firearms.
Police, we ask police force to make sure that once in a blue moon, let's make sure that every Saturday or every weekend in long weekends, let's see them moving around all over.
Bring in the soldiers so that the place can be clean, more especially on the weekends.
Ngozibandlela odlule kubulawa abantu abayishumi okubalwa kubo izingane ezintathu ehostela lase Salisville. Ngemuva kwezinyanga ezintathu izakhamuzi zakhona zithi zisalala obenyoni futhi sezithembele kuwo umbutho wezokuvikela.
Yes, we live in fear. I just want maybe to patrol and look at everything that is going around.
Abaholi bomphakathi bathi ukuthunyelwa kwamasosha kuzoletha uzinzo kwehlise nezinga lobugebengu obuhleliwe.
It will boost the morality of the police because police are coming but they don't have that energy. So they have to come here to search, especially those vehicles, the vehicles that they are moving around the street, roaming around the street without no number plates. They must also check for illegal firearms that are roaming also.
Izakhamuzi zase-Atteridgeville ikakhulukazi esihlala emahostela zicela ukuthi amasosha athunyelwe ngokusheshsha kule ndawo.
Inhlangano iCash and Transit Association ithi ize ibalo zonyaka u2025-2026 ikhombisa ukuthi igameko zokuduna kwezimoto ezithwala imali zehle ngamaphesenti angama-50 nomuvo kodwa kunokukhathazeka ngesifundazwe iKwaZulu-Natal.
Isifundazwe iKwaZulu-Natal silele isibili silandela eGauteng ngesibalo esiphezulu sokuduna kwezimoto ezithwala imali. Amaphoyisa athi lolu hlobo lobugebengu lwenzeka uma izimoto zemali zisemgwaqeni bese kuba khona imoto emisayo bese abasolwa basebenzisa ibhomu ukuyivula. Uphenyo luveze ukuthi lezi igebengu zincamela ukuboshwa noma zibulawe zidubulane namaphoyisa kunokukhipha ongqondongqondo.
There is a big boss who runs this operation. His is to get information on where the car will move and then he will know who he needs. Then he will get his people to go and do the job. That's why most of the time you will find the criminals who went and committed the robbery on the same day, but they've got no money. That's why these CIT robbers are so brazen that when they see police, they rather die than risk being arrested and having to tell the police who sent them.
Inhlangano iCash and Transit Association ithi sehlile isibalo sezigameko zokuduna kwalezi imoto kuzwelonke ngenxa yokubambisana kwayo nabezomthetho.
We're making great inroads and it's only through this collaborative effort by assisting each other and working together with law enforcement and the South African CIT companies and industry that we will see the numbers further go down. We need to keep on working together. We need to keep on focusing on these criminal elements. And we need to make sure that we bring them to book and we put them behind bars.
Amaphoyisa ke anxusa umphakathi ukuthi ungalinge usondele ezindaweni zezigameko zokuduna kwezimoto ezithwala imali njengoba kungaba khona ubungozi.
Umholi we-IFP uvele Nkosini Hlabisa uthi iqembu lifuna ukuqinisa ukwesekwa kwalo izifundazwe ezehlukene okubalwa kuzona nesifundazwe eMpumalanga. uHlabisa ubekhuluma emcimbini ukubungaza iminyaka engama-50 nomuvo lasungulwa leli qembu kanye ke nosuku lwamalungelo abantu eBhetali esifundazweni eMpumalanga.
Amalungu e-IFP abephume ngothilo wawo ukuzogubha iminyaka engama-50 nomuvo leli qembu lasungulwa. Izakhamuzi zakule ndawo zizwakalise izikhalo zazo ngokuhlinzekwa ngezidingo nqangi.
Singumphakathi asijabule neze ngendlela okwenzakala ngayo. Imigwaqo ayikho, ugesi kuthiwa fanele kuthola izephulelo.
We have a challenge of water and then electricity. I think if IFP can give IFP a chance, I think it will be better.
Umholi we-IFP uthi bafuna ukuthi leli qembu lidlondlobale nakwezinye izifundazwe. Uthi uculisekile ngendlela elenze ngayo okhethweni lokuchibiyela esifundazweni KwaZulu-Natal.
As we are 51 years now, it's exactly what we are doing as we are here. On my right-hand side, Mr. Kuala, our national chairperson is deployed in Limpopo and Northwest, and that is another area beside Gauteng where we are going to register our footprint.
Uhlabisa uphinde wagxeka imibiko ethi kunenkosi yaseNigeria egcotshwe esifundazweni Eastern Cape.
South Africa have enough kings who are custodians of our culture. A person belonging to Nigeria must go back to Nigeria and be a custodian in Nigeria, because it's an insult to come into another country, is an undermining of the sovereignty of the Republic of South Africa, what is seen, if it is true.
Uhlabisa ukhuthaze amalungu nabalandeli be-IFP ukuthi babhalisele ukuvota okhethweni lohulumeni bezindawo oluzobanjwa ngasekupheleni kwalonyaka.
Bukele sathi qoyitolo siyabuya nezinye indaba wena unganyakazi iqhube kuhlala nathi. Asikubingelela sikwamukele imbukelo uma usanda kungena udabeni oluphambili besibike ukuthi sekutholwe ezinye idumbe embili ezisebenza semayini beyivaleleke emathunjini omhlaba emayini yaseKimberley esifundazweni iNorthern Cape. Lokhu kuchaza ukuthi ke sezintathu idumbe seyitholiwe kanti ezimbili ayikatholakali. Asikhumbuze ke mbukelo ukuthi lezi ndaba ziyatholakala ku YouTube na ku SABC Plus. Nokumele ukwenze ngena kuzo uyicinga amagama athi SABC izindaba na kanjani uzoyithola ngobujalo baso. Unobhala jikelele we-ANC ufikile Mbalula uyichithile incwadi ebhalwe unobhala weqembu esifundazweni Eastern Cape uLulama Ngcukayi eyibhalela ubuholo phezulu beqembu. Ethi uMbalula wehlulekile ukuthatha inyathelo ngokukhathazeka kwakhe mayelana no-double tint iqembu esifundazweni.
Kule veki singena kuyo amehlo azokuthi ndi kwinkomfa yephondo okukuzana njengokufikiwe kwimimiselo yokuba ihlale. Amasebe azokuba nethuba lokukhetha inkokheli abazifunayo. Lo mbutho uthi akukho zirogriso yokuba ingangahlali lenkomfa.
Ubona kwam le leta nento ethetha ngazo zonke ezo zinto unobhala athetha ngazo kula leta sikwazile ukuthi sizilungise. Andiboni ukuthi ibisisizathu santoni sobhala le leta inikezwe umuntu wonke nabantu abangekhoyo embuthweni.
Ukanti ingingqi ezifana neMathole kunye neDr WB Rhubusana ziphakamisa igama lika Oscar Mabuyane ukuba aphinda angene kwisikhundla sokuba ngosihlalo isihlandlo sesithathu.
Siyingingqi yase-Amathole siyi-region i-region eza kumxhasa uComrade uMabuyana.
Siyamsupport uMabuyana siyi-Dr WB Rhubusana for i-third term because sibonile phansi kwe-leadership yakhe kukho stability.
Kusenjalo abahlalutyi bezopolitiko bakholelwa ukuba lo kaMabuyane ngahla iphumelele le ngomfa.
Mabuyane, it looks like unazo in-numbers and une-support from i-NEC of i-ANC. So I think uzaphinda abuye lawulweni.
Ngabathunywa bangaphaya kwe-1,500 nalendeleke onyule inkokheli ezintsha zalombutho ephondweni. Abongile Yankis kwiindaba ze-SABC kuGompo.
Umholi we-Build One South Africa uDokotela uMmusi Maimane usenxusa uhulumeni ukuthi abheke ezinye indlela zokunciphisa umthamo weindleko zokuphila ebantwini ngenxa yokwehla kwamandla erandi kanye nokungabi khona kozinzo emhlabeni jikelele. Izakhamuzi zakuleli izosifaka sigamanxa esandla ephaketheni njengoba izokwenyuka intela efakwa uma wetha upetrol.
Dlule ungqongqoshe wezemali uEnoch Godongwane umemezela ukuthi enye indlela yokukhulisa imali engenayo kahulumeni ukwenyusa intela yaphethiloli. Kulesibili iParliament kulindele ukuthi licubungule izindlela zokwenza lolu hlelo lusebenze.
In terms of the fuel levy, the total increase will also be in line with inflation. The general fuel levy will go up by 9 cents per litre for petrol and 8 cents per litre for diesel. The carbon fuel levy will go up by 5 cents per litre for petrol and 6 cents for diesel. The road accident fund fuel levy will increase by 7 cents per litre.
Ngeledlule umholi weBuild One South Africa uDokotela Musi Maimane ubambe inkulumo mpikiswano ephuthumayo eParliamente ukudingida ngomthelela wempi phakathi kweMelika, iIsrael neIran. Uthi lempi ingaba nemiphumela emibi emnothweni waseNingizimu Afrika.
Our currency has weakened now to 16 rand 73, meaning that effectively in the month of April, we face the potential of fuel and diesel rising up by 4 rand and 7 rand respectively. So ultimately, honorable members, citizens are going to feel this in their pockets. They're going to know the inflationary pressure. It's in the taxi fares, it's in the bus fares, it's in the food they eat.
Umaimane usephakamise ukuthi uhulumeni kufanele aqhamuke namasu okunciphisa umthwalo kubathengi.
If we discuss about protecting our people, let us take the court judgment on VAT and say this House has the right to delay the implementation of the fuel levy that has been increased so that we can shield consumers.
Ukwenyuka kwentela kaphethiloli kanye nentela yesikhwama esinxephezela abalimali ezingozini zomgwaqo iRAF kungase kuholele ekutheni kwenyuke intengo yokudla.
iDA Hammanskraal inqume ukumasha ngenxa yenkinga eqhubekayo yokungabibikho kwamanzi esifundazweni eGauteng. iDA isola ke umasipala oholwa iANC ngokwehluleka kwawo lo masipala okuhlinzeka abantu ngamanzi.
Bekuhlazo kwesibhakabhaka eHammanskraal kugcwele amalungu eqembu leDA ezokweseka izakhamuzi zalendawo eseziphila isikhathi eside ngaphandle kwamanzi, into iDA eyibiza ngokuhlukunyezwa kwamalungelo azo.
In Tshwane was a package plant that was built ready to connect a new source of water to the taps of the people of Hammanskraal. In 2023, we took hands with national government. This package plant was built, and the time when the DA was removed with our coalition partners from government, that's when the Hammanskraal water project stalled.
Hammanskraal zithi ukuyokha amanzi kude sekuyinhlala yenza njengoba namanje zinganawo amanzi endlini.
Bana lisibona siphusha amabhara every day, siyaphusha amabhara sihamba kusukela kudala abantu bevota besithi bazojinja isimo seHammanskraal namhlanje abakajinji lutho.
Ukubungazwa kosuku iWorld Water Day kuqhakambisa ukubeka obala ukuthi isifundazwe saseGauteng sicwile ubishini ngenkinga yokungahlinzekwa kwezakhamuzi ngamanzi. Ezindabeni zeSABC uNondumiso Mkhize Bowe eHammanskraal.
Abantu bakulelizwe kanye nezinye inhlangano engenzi inzuzo bakwazile ukunikela ngemali kumfundo waseGeorge eKapa ngenxa yokusabalala kwevideo enkundleni zokuxhumana ikhombisa lo mfundo kuyena kuphela eklasini ongenawo uphayini nokwasusa umsindo omkhulu einkundleni zokuxhumana kusola uthisha amfundisayo.
Iyaphokoka iminikelo esuka kuluntu. Umbutho ongenzi inzuzo iMandisi Chingana Foundation unikele ngama60,000 erandi. Le mali iza kufakwa kuvimba oza kujongana neemfuno zesikolo zalenkwenkwana nomkhuluwa wayo. Usapho aluvala umlomo ngenkxaso luyifumeneyo.
Siyavuya, siyabulela, benze kakhulu nyana. Besingalindelanga wathini ba kuzode kuzobanje ibiqale kakubi kwenzeka yonke lento yenzekileyo. Umntana wajongeka kakubi, siyabona ba kunabantu abakhathalayo.
Lo mbutho uthi uye wachukumiseka sesisiganeko.
Eyona nto sisuse pha wazi ukubona inhlungu umntana ehlukumezeka ngenxa yoba yena bengenayo into abanye abantwana bebenayo. So sabona ba masizame icebo ezabazali. When I mention ba singabazali kanti ethu ngabazali sisodwa singabazali baka Facebook size apha sithunywe ngabazali baka Facebook abathe actually in social media platform yonke sithunywe ngabazali abathe hayi khanihambe nithathe nansi into nise pha kulamzi nifike niyokongeza so sizise into besithunywe ngabazali baka Facebook.
Usapho kunye nalombutho banethemba lokuba esi siganeko siza kuba sisifundo kuluntu malunga neendlela zokusebenzisa amakhasi ezonxibelelwano ngendlela efanelekileyo. Kwiindaba ze-SABC ndinguSiphiwe Wobasi, ethemba lethu eGeorge.
Hayike nina bendidandida nedidi insuku namhla ukaNdaba ebuya phesheya uzumnenkulunkulu babemlinde ngakusasa kanti inkosi ifike ngayizolo isizulu engasincelebeleni sithi ukuhlehla kwenqama akusikho ukubaleka kodwa ke ikisukisa uthatha amandla iguqa lapho ke bese kuphathele zona nakusasa ungakhathazeki kube kusathi yathina ngoluka Mageba iyeza intokazi yasemantshaleni izokwethulela indaba emini kanye nasebusuku mbukeli kusale kahle.